Joy, does Kolkata need a strict teacher today? Do they need somebody to lay down the law and say, come on, guys, get your act together. You're a better team than this?
They need a strict teacher, and they need a teacher who has a lesson plan that makes sense. That means, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4. Maybe they need a batting order plan rather than a lesson plan, but either would do right now.
Yes, because Chennai has won the toss and they've put Kolkata into bat, which means it is now time for the Russian roulette. Yes, Harsha?
Well, I hope there's no bullets in there, but you see, with all good teams, there's a certain pattern to the batting order. They don't normally move 1, 2, 3 around too much. So you see with the teams that are at the top. Yesterday we saw Josh Philippe come in for RCB, but that was a one-off. It's always been Padikkal and Finch. You go to Mumbai, it's always been, there's always Quinton de Kock up at the top. Ishan Kishan only came in because Rohit was injured. So there's a pattern up there. Whereas here, it's something I've struggled to understand all along. My gut feel is that there are two players, both of whom want to bat in a particular position, in a particular role. And one is getting overruled. But I just think the team will be that much stronger because the player in form is Morgan.
Yeah.
All cricketing tenets say that the player in form must play more deliveries, so he must go up. And I say this at the risk of sounding a little odd because Morgan and McCullum have this great track record behind them of great thought. But if I still think Morgan batting at 5 or 6 is walking into an inferno.
Yeah.
Morgan batting at 4 will prevent the inferno from spreading.
Yeah, and talking about spreading stuff around, Joy. Jeez.
Yeah, and there's, if you look at Rahul Tripathi, he's actually played one more at number 8, which they couldn't fit in at all. So they couldn't fit him in at all because Rahul Tripathi has opened, he's batted at 3, he's batted at 7, and then he's batted at 8. So the point out here is, except for Shubman Gill, everyone's been moved around left, right, and center. I can understand some of it happening because Andre Russell is not fit and he's gone out. But there are at least half those changes are not injury related. They're related to do with where players are playing. And my point, again, I go back to it. When we made this point the last time as well. Players come in, they need their minds settled. Very few players have the mental discipline to be told, you're batting at 3 today, tomorrow you're batting at 5, day after you're batting at 6, and adjust to it. That's my problem.
Yeah, and we have been talking, and you say Brendan McCullum, innovative coach. One of the most innovative batsmen that you ever saw. One of my top 5 to see at any time of the day or night. Pay money to watch him. Great guy. I feel like, Harsha, there's just a tad too much experimentation, and he's never done that as captain. He didn't do that with New Zealand. We even dug into some numbers whether he's done that with TKR, which is the sister team of Kolkata in the CPL. And there again, there is virtue in people knowing where they're going to bat, what position what role they're going to have.
And even there, Sunil Narine as opener after 5 games because he didn't play a lot of the games thereafter, and that's why they moved Sunil Narine from there. Munro got a lot of games there. Darren Bravo got a lot of games there. Pollard batted at 5. My feeling is they rely a lot on matchups.
Yeah,
Brendan McCullum loves matchups. A lot of the modern day players love matchups, and because they are not getting starts at all. They've been 3 for 3 ones. They've been 10 for 3 ones. Because they're not getting starts, they're not able to play with the same flexibility down below, and it means somebody has to come in at 4. And they're opting to send Karthik in at 4 instead of Morgan at 4. I don't know if it's left, right. I don't know. The matchups are saying that Morgan is more valuable down the order. Yeah. But this constant going up and down is not helping. So, there's only a couple of games now. My only view with what Joy said was that in this format, you have to be ready to bat anywhere. But I think you don't tinker too much with the top 3. And then depending on the situation, you start moving batsmen around.
Yeah. You see a lot of movement even with Mumbai with 5, 6, 7. You don't know whether it's going to be Pollard or the Pandya brothers, but they know that. They know what's happening over there, and it's well oiled. It's been for a while,
but I guess. Movement in the top 4.
Never in the top 4. Yeah, they barely ever move in one in the top 4.